What if I told you there's a simple 3-minute ritual that can make any new skill actually stick? We're going to break down a science-backed method that's, frankly, a game changer for anyone who has to learn stuff all the time, from video editing to marketing, and needs it to stay in their brain. Oh man, does this look familiar? You spend an hour, maybe two, learning some awesome new trick in Premiere Pro. You feel like a genius. But then you wake up the next day, open the project, and it's gone. Poof! Your brain just hit the delete button. It's super frustrating, and today, we're going to fix it. So there's actually a scientific reason for this, and it has a name, the forgetting curve. Yeah, it's a real thing. It basically shows that our memory for new info just nosedives unless we do something about it. We are about to learn how to fight that curve. And this slide? This is the problem in a nutshell. On the left, you've got this mountain of time and effort you're putting in. And on the right, the teeny tiny little pile of skills you can actually recall when you need them. It's called tutorial fatigue, and it's why you feel like you're running on a hamster wheel instead of leveling up. But here's the good news. The fix, the antidote to all this forgetting, takes just 3 minutes. Seriously, this isn't some gimmick. It's a powerful little ritual backed by actual cognitive science that can completely rewire how you learn. Let's get into it. See, this is the big shift we have to make. We've got to go from being passive watchers, just letting the information wash over us and hoping for the best, to becoming active participants in our own learning. This ritual, it's the bridge that gets you from one side to the other. So, how do we do it? What's the secret? Well, it's just 3 incredibly simple steps, and they're designed to be so fast you literally have no excuse not to do them. And here they are. It's review, teachback, and schedule. That's it, 1 minute for each. Together, these 3 little actions stop the forgetting process dead in its tracks and start building real long-term memory. All right, step 1, review. The second a tutorial ends, don't close the tab, don't switch to another task, take exactly 60 seconds. Grab a notebook, a sticky note, whatever, and force yourself to write down the 3 biggest takeaways. This simple act tells your brain, hey, pay attention to this stuff. Next up, the teachback. This one might feel a little weird at first, but trust me, it's magic. For another minute, you're going to explain those 3 points out loud. To your dog, to the wall, I don't care. The goal is to simplify it, because if you can't teach it simply, you don't really get it yet. And finally, step 3, schedule. This is the secret sauce. In your last minute, you're going to open your calendar and actually schedule 3 super quick check-ins. 1 for tomorrow, 1 for next week, and 1 for next month. This is what makes the knowledge stick for good. Okay, so you've got the steps. But why does this little 3-minute thing work so well? Well, it's not a productivity hack, it's a brain hack. It's built on these 2 core principles of neuroscience that are proven to work. Let's peek behind the curtain. So that schedule step, that's tapping directly into something called spaced repetition. By revisiting the info just as you're about to forget it, you're sending a powerful signal to your brain that says, hey, this is important, don't throw it out, move it to the long-term storage folder. And the teachback step, my favorite, this forces what's called active recall. Instead of just rereading your notes, you are literally pulling the information out of your brain. Every time you do that, you strengthen the connection to that memory. It's like clearing a path in a forest. The more you walk it, the easier it is to find. And this chart just says it all, doesn't it? On the left, you've got cramming. It's like building a sandcastle. It looks good for a minute, but it's going to be gone tomorrow. On the right, you have spaced practice. That's like building a foundation out of concrete. It's there to stay. And check out this number. We're not talking about a tiny improvement here. The research shows that this kind of practice can be up to 200% more effective for long-term memory than just trying to cram it all in at once. That's a huge difference. Okay, so you get the problem, you've got the solution, and you know the science. Now what? Let's make this something you can start doing, like right now. This is the prize. This is what you're working towards. By using this simple ritual, you could boost your skill retention from, maybe 10% all the way up to 80%. Just imagine actually remembering all those SEO keyword strategies you're learning. It's totally possible. So here's your game plan. The very next tutorial you watch, I want you to try this. And for those 3 minutes, give it your full, undivided attention. No multitasking. Just focus. Maybe even jot down your progress in a journal. You'll be absolutely floored by how much faster you start to master things without feeling burnt out. I mean, at the end of the day, it all just boils down to this, right? It's about getting off the treadmill of just working harder and harder, and instead starting to learn in a way that actually works with your brain, not against it. So I'll leave you with this question. What's the one skill you're working on right now? Is it thumbnail design? Is it a new camera setting? Whatever it is, you now have a tool to actually master it. The path to getting there just got a whole lot shorter.